What if I told you you can make money online without skills, without experience using Canva for all the designing? You might find at least one path from this video to start your journey. Look, Canva is not just about making posters. It is a complete ecosystem where beginners, students, housewives, freelancers, everyone can work at their level and earn money from it. Now I'm going to tell you some methods and categories. Don't miss any section. Canva is a free tool which you can install on your cell phone, PC, laptop, and use it. There are a lot of templates available on Canva which you can use for yourself, your business, your client, social media marketing, and a lot more. And there are some methods and categories. Number one is workbook and ebook designs. This is one of the most powerful ways many people are using to earn money from Canva while sitting at home. First, you need to choose your niche, like business, fitness, finance, how to videos, self-help, or any field you want. Go to Canva and search for ebook designs for business. You will see thousands of designs, no limitations at all. When you open any design, you'll see multiple pages already prepared. The entire ebook layout is ready. You just click Customize and change colors, edit text, modify details. Everything can be done in one click. Earlier, 4 to 5 years ago, this work was very difficult. Who would design? Who would write? Well, then now you can. Use ChatGPT for content, use AI for images, and create a premium quality ebook or a workbook easily. Where to sell? Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, Etsy. This is a digital product. You create it once and sell it again and again. Number two is social media design services. Today, many influencers, YouTubers, business owners, and CEOs exist, but not everyone is a designer. They constantly need designs for bisan, social media posts, marketing, and branding. You can work as a designer for them. They constantly need designs for social media posts, marketing, branding. You can work as a designer for them. People and companies can hire you for Instagram posts and stories, LinkedIn carousels, thumbnails, posters. In Canva, search LinkedIn carousel, and you'll find ready-made templates. Just open, customize, deliver to clients. You can earn good money this way. Big creators and companies don't buy raw content. They buy ready-made solutions. Number three is freelance graphic designing without skills. Even if you don't know Photoshop, Illustrator, advanced AI tools, you can still become a freelance graphic designer. As clients don't want your skill, they want results. That Canva gives you logos, presentations, thumbnails, posters, social media posts. For example, search logo, thousands of options appear. Logos that normally cost hundreds or thousands of dollars can be made easily here. You can customize logos or use ready-made ones. Sell your services on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Number four is printable and digital products. This is a huge business worldwide. On Canva, search printable and digital products, and you'll find planners, mind maps, brand kits, templates. You can design for brands or sell your own products. There are endless designs. You won't run out. Number five, idea is print on demand. No factory, no inventory, and no delivery hassle. And still, you can make profit. You can design for t-shirts, flyers, and merchandise. Search t-shirt print on demand in Canva. Then sell on platforms like Printful, Etsy. The sixth idea is resume and presentation design. Many educated people don't get jobs because their resumes are not attractive or not professional. You can help them by creating eye-catching resumes and professional presentations. Search resume design in Canva and there are thousands of templates there. A good resume can change someone's life. Number 7 idea is branding and brand kits. Every small business wants to look big. Canva makes branding very easy. You can create logos, color palettes, fonts, brand voice, and also graphics. Search business branding kits, ready templates available. Customize and sell to clients. Number 8 is Canva AI feature. If you don't like existing designs or don't have skills, then use Canva AI. Write content, generate images, create designs, edit automatically. Just give a simple prompt, even translated via Google, and Canva will generate designs for you. Number 9 is Canva Learning, Design School. If you get stuck, go to Design School inside Canva. You'll find free courses, beginner to advanced lessons, certificates, videos, and activities. You don't need to go anywhere else to learn. I would like to give a final advice. I've only shown you a few fields. There are many more opportunities in Canva. Everything is available: templates, AI tools, learning resources. The only thing missing is your first step. If you still aren't earning in this AI era and keep wasting time scrolling, then no one can help. But if you want to start your online journey, learn and earn, then Canva is a massive opportunity, and many things are free to start. If you like the video, like and share. Also comment which field you liked most.